Welcome back to HD Camping Adventures. For a lot of people, May long weekend is the unofficial start of summer. And for us, it means one thing. The rooftop tent is finally coming back out. This week, we're heading deep into the mountains for our first rooftop tent trip of the year. And this one turns into the perfect start to camping season. If you're new to the channel, most of our winter trips are spent camping in hot tents, staying warm while the weather does its thing outside. As much fun as that's been, we're really looking forward to getting the rooftop tent back out again. With the extra day off this weekend, we were originally planning to head farther into the interior and really make the most of it. We kept checking the forecast, hoping things would turn around, but it looked like snow all weekend out east. And after a whole winter of camping in the cold, we decided we'd had enough for now. So instead, we're keeping things local and chasing a little bit of spring. Apparently, we weren't the only ones trying to escape into the mountains this weekend. It took a bit longer than usual to find a campsite, but eventually we found a spot we were happy with. At this point, setting up can wait for a few minutes, because first priority is food and a cold drink. It's been a few months since we last opened up the rooftop tent, and there's always a bit of nervousness the first time you crack it open for the season. You never really know what conditions you're going to find inside after sitting all winter. Dave jumps in to get the rainfly set up. Apparently he's been missing that classic iKamper smell, and if you own one, you probably understand what he means. This weekend, we'll be harnessing the power of the sun to keep our food and drinks cold, and to help power what might become our new favorite camping setup later tonight. But you will have to stick around to see that. The summer setup is starting to come together now, and before long, camp is going to feel like home for the weekend. We brought the Skottle along for this trip. We're also keeping the bear spray nearby. The bears are definitely awake again, and we've already had a few sightings this year. It's part of camping out here. Stay prepared, keep food packed away properly, and always respect the wildlife around you. There's a bit of rain in the forecast for tonight, so we figured it would be a good idea to get the awning set up early before the weather moves in. It's also been sitting packed away for a while now, so we wanted to open it up, air it out, and make sure winter didn't leave us with any surprises. It's a bit cooler than we were hoping for today. BC actually brought in an early fire ban last week, but decided to lift it for the long weekend, which is good news for everyone out camping right now. Dinner tonight is going to be pretty simple. Dave's making some quick chicken tacos on the Skottle. Nothing overly complicated, but that's usually the kind of food that tastes best out here anyway. We've got chicken, chili powder, cheese, salsa, guacamole, sour cream, and of course a few potato chips on the side. Now that dinner's finished, it's time to set up one of our favorite newer additions to camp. If you've seen some of our recent videos, you probably already know where this is going. We've completely fallen in love with watching movies under the stars, and tonight we've brought the portable projector along once again. It's become one of our favorite ways to end an evening out here. If you've been thinking about building a setup like this for your own camping trips, we've got links to the gear we use down in the description. And using those links really does help support the channel, so we appreciate it.
Truth is vanishing. War is coming.
Every comrade you've lost in the field.
The rain has started moving in now, on and off through the evening, so we've decided to bring movie night inside the tent before heading to bed.
Still in the rapids, folks. The only way I could get back. I sank that submarine as much as.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to day 2 of 3. The sun's already out this morning, and after yesterday's cooler weather, we're finally expecting some warmer temperatures this afternoon. So for now, there's really only one thing to do: get the coffee going and start thinking about breakfast. On the menu this morning, pancakes, one of our favourite campsite breakfasts. Usually on shorter trips, we tend to skip breakfast altogether and hit the road early, so it's nice having an extra day and not having to rush around packing up camp. Pancakes aren't something we make very often at home, but out here, on the Skottle, they feel like the perfect camping breakfast. After breakfast, we spend most of the day relaxing in and out of the sun, and by noon, it's actually gotten pretty warm out. Cold drinks, snacks, and not much of a schedule. It's the kind of camping day we'd been looking forward to. Before we know it, though, the temperature starts to drop again, and it's time to get another fire going. At this point in the year in British Columbia, there's a good chance this could be our last campfire until the fall, so we're definitely making the most of it. It's time for dinner, and tonight we're trying something new. Our own campsite version of a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Not something we've made out here before, but we've definitely been looking forward to giving it a try. Ingredients are red pepper, onion, mushrooms, beef, and plenty of provolone cheese. We've really been craving a relaxing weekend out here, so the goal for this trip was simple meals that didn't take too much effort. Dinner ended up being a success, and now we're getting the projector set back up for another movie night under the stars. Tonight's movie is a pretty long one though, so after only making it halfway through last night, the mission now is to finally finish it. And if you think you know what movie we're watching, drop your guesses down in the comments. We're also always looking for good movie recommendations that fit this kind of camping setup. Just like that, it's already the last morning of the trip. One final coffee with a mountain view before it's time to pack everything up. This weekend felt like the perfect start to rooftop tent season, and we're already excited for the trips we've got planned later this summer. If you enjoy coming along on adventures like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We've got all kinds of outdoor content on the channel, from backpacking and snowshoeing to hot tent camping and road trips throughout British Columbia. As always, thanks for watching, and since you're still here, why not check out one of these videos?